Ay, Daddy, thank you. Nandyan ka sa akin through ups and downs. Hindi mo ako iniwan. Lagi mo akong ginaguide. Yun, pinagsasabihan mo ako. Tinatawag mo ako. Hindi yung parang, kasi yung ibang tao, dinadown ako parate. So, ikaw nandyan, parang supporter ko. Ganun. Lagi ka nandyan sa akin. Kaya, sobrang thankful ako.
Yung pagiging loyal niya, thoughtful niya, loving niya, yun nga, hands-on niya. And really, I felt it. I felt the love. And then, yun nga, it grew on me. Actually, I like her even before. And it grew on me. I'm not really good at expressing. It's one of my weakness, expressing it's hard for me to express what's inside me. Yun yung one of my weakness na natanggap niya. But I want her to know na I love her. I love her very much. I love you very much. And I'm happy that it will be you that I'll be spending my life. We met during a storm while diving. So basically that's it. So it was a stormy day, pero for some reason, I have usual travel buddies, pero nag-travel ako alone. And yun doon kami nag-met when we're trying to learn diving. Ayun, kasabayan nga, mayroong bagyo.
Actually, ayoko talagang pumunta noon sa free diving. Na totally na hindi gusto kasi bumabagyo. And then, nag-try lang ako. Lahat na parang nag-back out, joiner kasi. Tapos, ako parang may nagsasabi na pumunta ka, ganon. So, pumunta ako. And as always, late na naman ako. Yun. Tapos, nakita ko siya doon sa, Batangas Terminal. So, na late.
Since nga medyo konting tao, kami lang yung magkakausap-usap. So, it started there. And then, yun nga, naging, ko siya, diving buddy, parang gano'n. So, when I want to dive, sinasama ko siya.
Actually, hindi mo masasabi yun. Parang you will have yung gut feel na siya na, hindi mo may-explain na siya talaga, pero mararamdaman mo. Hindi mo may-explain kung paano yung masasabi. Pero you know na, yun na, siya na nga. Walang words para describe yun.
Because I prayed for it, and she came. And the way I prayed for it, yung parang what I want for a partner is nasa kanya. Yung qualities na I pray.
So, yung Daddy, alam mo naman na mahal kita. Tapos, yung promise ko is I will take good care of you and our babies. Yun. And gagawin ko ang best ko to be, wala naman kasing best wife, but I'll be, gagawin ko yung kung ano yung talagang kayang-kaya ko to be a good wife to you. Lahat, gagawin ko. Para maging proud ka sa akin. Ayun, thank you and I love you.